What's it look like?
Yeah, it's pretty fucking dark.
Is it?
Ooh, get that spider.
You think he'll bite me? Oh, he's taking off. He's running back towards you. Don't start screaming.
I'm not scared of spiders.
Just moths.
Yeah.
Let that be known on the camera.
June bugs.
Dad's afraid of moths and his wife takes care of him for him. What the fuck's wrong with you? What is that? A moth. I don't know. Do you want to take the heads off? It almost seems like it'd be. It seems like we're gonna spend more time avoiding taking the heads off
Than just
taking them off and doing the stuff.
Yeah.
Because I feel like trying to go the short route is the long ways for trying to go the short route.
The thing about doing that too, like we get the clean underneath, lap the valves, put the springs in, and then you got head gaskets.
Yeah, and even Corey recommended I should probably lap the valves.
Yeah.
And that's Corey.
Yeah, and so then really you're good to go. Like, even if you don't boost it a bunch, I'm sure it'll be fine. Like, if you're only going to make 500 to the tire, like, I don't even really think you'd need to gap the rings or anything.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know, but I do know the head gaskets probably wouldn't take it. Dude, who designed this shit? Yeah, let's sell this thing for... Oh my god. Just all of it on the damn floor.
Is that not
Maybe the half. You know, it's easy if you do it like this. It's always easier to go down than, like, you're trying to do this. If you do
I
this,
got strong shoulders. Oh, the top ones?
yeah. That just smells so weird.
I wonder if it's degreaser, maybe?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh,
Shit, something, a little something.
What? Shut up.
So I was saying, like, the more head bolts I got loose, the stinkier it got. Fucking over here sniffing the bolts. But it smells weird, and fucking even weirder when you're over here sniffing the motherfucking bolts.
Swivel wheel. Swivel wheel. What the fuck you be doing with them fingertips?
Ask your mom.
Oh my god.
Hell no, to the no, 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 hell to the no.
Yeah, this thing was sealed up tighter than a nun.
Feels good. Those little scratches, but it's like,
No, dude.
that's nothing?
You just make it seal.
The guy that says he don't know nothing about LS's?
No, I know cylinder walls. Like, I don't have to know anything about LS's to know cylinder wall.
Ew, it stinks.
That's what we were saying, the motor.
It's so burned.
Definitely. Those are the head studs.
Yeah.
In Dallas, and I'm staring at this motel wall. Tell me, are you scared? 'Cause I'm out here living free. In at night when you're sleeping, tell me, are you dreaming of me? I woke up on the floor again.
Okay, it's clean on the opposite side, but where the valves actually sit, I'm gonna clean down in there because it's pretty dirty. That one's a bit cakey. Trying to get those clean. You can see the loose stuff piled up in the corners. So, to avoid an ass whooping, I'm going to take the heads outside, or this head, and blow this all out with the air compressor outside, not in the garage. So.
Closing in, and I just can't shake that feeling.
Alright, getting ready to lap these valves, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean up these surfaces before we lap them, because I don't want there to be all kinds of crud when I put down the lapping compound on the valves, because oh my god. Alright, take some lapping compound, go around the edge. Alright, this is the motor as it currently sits. Obviously a big improvement from what you saw throughout this whole video. It has been a few months, quite a few months. It's now December 2023, I think today's the 12th. This is what we've gotten. Motor is completely back together. If you're enjoying the video, be sure to check out the website, sendushelp.com. $7 stickers. I've got a $20 t-shirt on the website. I don't think anywhere can beat these prices, especially because I make everything myself. None of this comes from China. I make the t-shirts myself, stickers, everything, not drop shipped. If you're enjoying, go check us out, sendushelp.com. Use code Sophie for 10% off. I'll use my girlfriend's name. She's now a plug. So thank you for watching.